Guys, make sure to stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repair diagnostics that you may actually not even need. So let's explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find, guys, where the radio audio fuses relays are located on Jeep Grand Cherokee, that generation here that you see, guys. Please do not waste, guys, any money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video. It could be quite simple fix. After that, guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, we will, guys, share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix engines, transmission, codes, fuses, relays, because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these free videos. By the way, guys, if you have a Jeep Grand Cherokee with a V6 3.6 engine, guys, we'll have video on that engine, replacing, taking it completely apart, replacing almost any component you can think of, transmission as well. Why we do that? To save you money. Check it out. All this video will be on the channel, guys. In addition, on our YouTube channels we have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. For the radio audio fuses relays, come, guys, to show you where you can expect to find them. We will demonstrate on that generation Jeep Grand Cherokee. Depending on the year model, you have two different kinds of fuse boxes. We'll explain about each one of those. Go ahead and open the hood first, guys, facing the engine on the left side here. You have a fuse box. Open that cover. Underneath you'll find a layout of a fuse box like this one for 2014 to 2022 year model Jeep Grand Cherokee. This is 2011 to 2013 year model. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good, you end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. And here, guys, what we need to check. Okay, let's show you now. First we'll start with 2011 to 13 model. Here we need to check fuse first number M12 right here. So we'll be working in that area. Let's zoom in a little bit. M12 fuse will need to be checked. Then you need to check fuse M13 right here, guys. These two fuses will need to be checked. Now, if you guys have 2012 to 2014 to year 2022, we need to check fuse number F71. Let's zoom in a little bit. F71 is this fuse right here. Then you will need to check fuse number 80, guys. Fuse number 80 is this one right here. Fuse number 80. And then you need to locate fuse number 98. Right there. All these fuses will need to be checked. You don't have any relays. Those are known as relay fuses. If you still have problems with radio sound amplifier audio system, you may need to check fuses, guys, for the BCM body control module as well. The video will be on the channel if you need help with that. Guys, as you can see, this Jeep Grand Cherokee has all kinds of different fuses, relays, JKs, mini blade fuses, the CB fuses, different kinds of relays as well, depending on the year and model. They may differ, but some of those could be really hard to find if you're in the middle of nowhere. That's why, guys, what we recommend, we always keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We'll share the links in the description of the video below. Check it out, where we get most of our tool supplies from as well. We can get fuses, relays, usually at a good price there as well. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Our mission is to save you as much money as we can. Thank you for watching and see you next time.